Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. If you are managing a Facebook page, you know how crucial it is to have the right people with the right access. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to access your Facebook page as an admin and most importantly, how to add, remove or restore admin roles. Let's dive in. First things first, how do you even get to your page's admin settings? It's pretty straightforward. Log into Facebook. Make sure you are logged into your personal Facebook account that has an admin role on the page you want to manage. Now navigate to your page. You can usually find your pages listed on the left hand sidebar of your Facebook news feed under pages or shortcuts. Alternatively, you can use the search bar at the top of Facebook to search for your page by name. Now switch to your page. If prompted, Facebook has been evolving how pages are managed. You might see a prompt to switch now to your page's profile. If so, go ahead and switch. This will let you interact as the page itself. Now, let's say you want to bring a new team member on board and give them administrative access. Here is how to add a new admin. Go to your page. As we just covered, make sure you are on your Facebook page. Access professional dashboard or settings. If you are on the new page experience, click on professional dashboard on the left sidebar. If you are on the classic page experience, look for settings in the top right or left. Navigate to page access or page roles in the professional dashboard. Look for page access under tools. In the classic page experience, click on page roles on the left hand menu. Add a new person, that is page access, or assign a new page role, that is page roles. For the new page experience, click add new person under people with Facebook page access. For the classic page experience, scroll down to assign a new page role. Enter the person's name or email. Start typing the name of the person you want to add. They must be your Facebook friend, or you can enter their email address associated with their Facebook account. Select admin role. This is the most important. Choose admin from the available roles. Facebook will give you a warning about the full permissions an admin has. Make sure you understand this. Confirm and enter password. Click give access or add and you'll likely be prompted to enter your Facebook password to confirm the change. Remember, when you grant someone admin access, they will have full control over your page just like you do. So choose wisely. Sometimes team members move on or roles change and you might need to remove someone's admin access. Here is how. Go to your page. Again, make sure you are on your Facebook page. Navigate to professional dashboard or settings. Go to page access or page roles as you did before. In the new page experience, under people with Facebook access, locate the person you want to remove. In the classic page experience, scroll down to see the list of existing page roles. Remove access. So for the new page experience, click on the three dots next to their name and select remove access. For the classic page experience, click edit next to their name and then remove. Confirm your decision and enter your Facebook password if prompted. Be careful when removing admins, especially if you are the only other admin. Always ensure there are at least one other trusted admin on the page. What if you accidentally removed someone or they lost their access for some reason? Restoring an admin role is similar to adding one from scratch, but it's important to understand that there is no undo button for a direct restore if they were completely removed. If someone was completely removed from page access, you simply follow the steps for adding a new admin again. You'll re-add them, select admin as their role, and then confirm. However, sometimes an admin might have demoted to a lesser role like an editor or moderator. In that case, go to your page, access your Facebook page again. Now navigate to professional dashboard or settings, and then go to page access or page roles. Find the person, locate the person whose role you want to change. Now you can edit their role. For the new page experience, click on the three dots next to their name and select change address. For the classic page experience, click edit next to their name. Now you can select admin role. So from the drop down, choose admin. Now go ahead and confirm the change and enter your password. Essentially, if they are still listed under your page access but with a lesser role, you can edit it. If they are completely gone, you'll need to re-add them as if they were brand new. Before we wrap up, here are some few important tips. Trust is key. Only grant admin access to people you fully trust. They can do everything you can, including deleting the page actually. So to admins minimum as well, it's always a good idea to have at least 2 trusted admins on a page. If something happens to one account, the other can still manage the page. Now also we have regular review. Periodically review your page roles to ensure everyone still needs the access they have. Again, understand the roles, familiarize yourself with all the different page roles, that is editor, moderator, advertiser, analyst, so you can give people the most appropriate level of access. And there you have it, managing admin roles on your Facebook page as a vital part of effective page management. By following these steps, you can easily add, remove, or restore admin access, keeping your page secure and running smoothly. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.